Welcome to Sakiko Wellness. No, this company is founded uh, in one single mission. So ano ba yung single mission ng Sakiko Wellness? So to offer high quality products that every Filipino can afford. So talking about products, we'll be covering different categories from supplements to automotive to household products to skincare. So actually limitless, no? Lahat ng mga categories na pwede nating ilagay dito, gawin natin. And then yun ang concept natin is high quality pero affordable, no? So di kalidad na produkto para sa masa. And good news guys, no? During our freelance, kasi magkaroon tayo ng freelance, announce natin later on, meron tayong dalawang product na maging available during freelance. So first, this is a food supplement. This is called Immunoblock, no? Immunoblock Plus. This is FDA approved and natural yung mga ingredients. 600 milligram, guys, no? Typically, ang mga capsules nasa 600 lang yan. Pero yung ating Immunoblock Plus has 600 mg per capsule. So, ano naman yung purpose or functions ng Immunoblock, no? Number one, it strengthens the immune system. So, di natin nakuha sa mga pagkain yung mga nutrina that our body needs. So, pwede natin makuha dito sa Immunoblock. Pangalawa, it supports respiratory health, no? Respiratory health kung may kilala kayo or nahirapan sa paghinga, no? This product clears the airways, no? Para at least maka-breathe tayo ng maayos. Number three, it also fights inflammation, no? Enhances recovery kung medyo may sakit ka or feeling not well. So, by taking this product, na mabilis yung ating recovery. And of course, it provides antioxidant protection. So, it fights free radicals. So, ano naman yung mga content ng Immunoblock? So, main ingredients nito is dragon fruit, turmeric, wild garlic, and black pepper extracts. So, again, extracts ang ingredients nito. So, I would like to siguro mabigay tayo ng comparison what is extracts, no? So it's may dalawang type of powder capsules na yung laman niya ay pwedeng extract or pwedeng dried lang. No, yung process niya is through drying and then ginawang powder, then nilagay sa capsule. In your Immunoblock, different yung process niya. It's a standardized extract na yung oil mismo ng ingredients ang kinuha before ginawang capsule. So, ang epekto, this is more bioavailable, mas daling ma-absorb sa katawan natin. So, mas mabilis yung epekto. So, what about the pricing? For members, guys, napaka-affordable, no? This is 349 pesos lang for members. Kung gusto kayong magbenta, no, retail price, it's 730. But you can adjust, pwede nyo you can increase the price or you can lower the retail price, no? So ganyan ka-flexible yung system natin. So again, this would be available during soft launch. I-announce ko mamaya kung kailan yung freelance pala. Freelance natin. So, pangalawang product is ito po, this is yung iba siguro na nakita na to. This is a Jet 1 Extreme Oil Engine Protector, no? This is for automotive naman itong category. So, what's the function of this product, no? 'Yun, nakalagay dito engine protector. Actually, it's an oil uh, i- engine oil protector, no? So, ang benefits niya is number one, magkakaroon tayo ng fuel savings between 10 to 20%. Second benefit is 2 to 3 times engine oil life. And pangatlo is 50% savings on maintenance cost. But we'll just discuss yung dalawang benefit, no? 10 to 20% fuel savings. See, for example, meron kang motorcycle. Kasi pwede ito sa mga motorcycles, pwede sa trucks, pwede sa cars, diesel or gasoline engines na cars, walang problema. no? So focus lang tayo dito sa dalawang benefit muna. So say for example, kayo or may friends kayo na may mga motorcycles, say for example yung uh, ex- expense nila sa fuel every month is 1,000. Kunin nila natin yung average. So average ng 10 to 20%, that is 15%. So 15% of 1,000 is 150. So for every 1,000 fuel consumption, makatipid tayo ng 150. Now, if meron kang sedan, kotse, or SUV, see for example, your consumption mo per month ng fuel is sa 3,000. So 3,000 times 15%. So magkaroon ka ng savings ng around 450 pesos, no? And yung pangalawang benefit niya is 2 to 3 times engine oil life. Uh, Para tumaas yung life ng oil mo. So, ibig sabihin, kung every 5,000 kilometers ka nag-change oil, pwede ka mag-change oil kung gumamit ka ng JIT1 to 10,000 or 15,000 kilometer. So, mean to say, if yung cost mo ng change oil is 4,000. Every time nag-change oil ka, 4,000 yung cost mo. So, makasave ka ng at least 4,000. In fact, 4,000 to 8,000 yung savings mo. Diba? Magkano naman itong JIT1 na extreme oil engine protector natin? 149 lang kung member ka or 200 sa retail sa 60 ml. Ang 60 ml, ito yung pang motorcycles. For kotse naman at saka SUV, no? 319 pesos lang kung member ka ng Zagico Wellness. Retail, meaning to say, hindi ka member ng Zagico Wellness, the cost will be 450. Napakalaking savings, napakataas ng value makuha natin dito, guys. No? Pero yung cost of membership natin, napaka-affordable. And then more products to come. Kasi last week may napuntahan tayong manufacturer. It's a very reputable manufacturer dito sa Visayas, no? So nagkaroon na tayo ng dealing. So next month or early next year, magkaroon tayo ng maraming product, guys, dito sa Kiko Wellness. Now, let's talk about muna why we need supplementation. Kasi isa sa line of products natin is supplements, food supplements. So, we need to take supplements because of nutrient deficiencies. Hindi na makuha natin araw-araw from the food that we eat ang lahat ng mga vitamins and minerals na kailangan sa ating lawas para it will work and function properly. Kasi sobrang busy na natin, no? Talamag pa yung mga fast food chain, no? Stress pa tayo, mausok pa yung daan. Okay? So, minsan mayroon tayong lifestyle, no? Na di natin maiwasan. And then, yung aging din, no? As the years goes by, no? Mataas yung ano natin, yung edad. So, humihina din yung immune system natin. And dito sa Pilipinas, one major reason why we need supplementation is bakit daming mga Pinoy ang deficient ng nutrients is because of poverty, no? Hindi nila makuha yung mga vitamins and minerals because of the food, no? Kulang yung pera pang bili ng mga mga pagkain na dapat kumpleto sana ng vitamins and minerals. So, ang epekto nito, guys, if we are nutrient deficient, ang epekto nito is long term. Mean to say, hindi ito mag-epekto kagad. It will take years. So siguro after 40, 20 years, 30 years kang deficient, saka na lumabas yung mga symptoms of diseases, no? And it will lead to very serious illnesses or diseases, even death. In fact, yung nakalagay na dito sa nakuha natin sa DOH as of 2021, no? Ito yung mga top causes of death in the Philippines, no? Number one, yung heart disease, stroke. Pangalawa, pangatlo is cancers. Pangapat is diabetes, no? Hypertension, pneumonia, respiratory disease, kidney disease, tuberculosis, respiratory tuberculosis, no? Na pwede naman, no? 70% according to the expert, pwede naman itong maiwasan by taking the right food na kumpleto sa mga vitamins and minerals. So yung product natin kanina guys, yung Immunoblock Plus, no? Malaking tulong ito na ma-prevent natin yung mga diseases na to. 'Di ba? So ano ba yung business model natin? So we are now riding on the economy, the trend in business, no, a trend sa economy, which is subscription and membership club, no, just like Landers, Isinar, Spotify, Netflix. So bakit ng mga tao is they are adapting, no, club membership and subscription? It's because gusto natin makasave. Gusto natin mas malaki yung value na makuha natin sa binabayaran natin, no? For example, sa Landers, no, bayad ka lang ng 700 pesos per year or 800 pesos per year, pwede ka nang makabili, no, ng mga imported items sa murang halaga, no? Sa also with the ECNR. Dito naman sa digital na patok din sa Pilipinas, ang Spotify, music lang daw guys, but you need to pay 700 pesos sa basics membership nila or 2,008 mahigit for premium or family accounts. Sa Netflix naman, 1,788 ang bayaran mo for basic plan, no? For family plan naman, mga almost 7,000. But ang value naman na makukuha natin dito, sobrang sobrang ganda naman. That's why mas malaki yung savings natin if we subscribes or naging member tayo ng mga companies na to. Okay. Now, our vision, no? Ano naman yung goal natin as a company? No, our vision is to spread the mission. What is our mission? Is to provide high quality product at the lowest price to every Filipino through membership and subscription. So yun po yung channel natin na gagamitin ngayon, membership and subscription. So magkano naman yung membership ng sa Kiko Wellness? Guys, it is only 960 per year ang membership natin. May access ka na sa mga products natin. More products coming soon dito sa platform natin. So parang 80 pesos, no? 80 pesos lang 'yan per per month. Okay? Now, if you want to earn, no, gusto kang kumita dito sa Zakiko Wellness, mag-add ka lang ng another 960 for the affiliate fee, no? Total mong babayaran for you to become a member at the same time an affiliate member is only 1,920. So anong makuha natin? Access to membership club, no? Access sa mga yung napakita natin na member price na sobrang baba. Pangalawa is access to e-commerce and dropshipping system. Pwede kang magbenta using our e-commerce store and our dropshipping system and access sa ating back office system, access sa mga marketing materials, access sa mga analytics, no? Access sa mga trainings. Now, for you to understand fully sa ating business model, allow me to explain ano ba yung uh, transaction flow if we transact doon sa ACNR or Landers. Now, if we kung tayo ay magpa-member ng Landers for example or bibili tayo ng mga items doon sa Landers, for example, ito si John ay nagpa-member doon sa Landers, no? Or nagpa-haircut, no? Or bumili ng mga household products or nagpa bumili ng kape, no? So ang transaction is parang single line lang, no, yung transaction. So from each person towards the company which is Landers. So see for example si John, kung si John ay nag-apply for membership sa Landers, walang benefit si Peter. Kasi ang naka-benefit dito is yung Landers lang. The same way kung ang lahat ng mga Lander members ay bumibili ng mga items doon sa Landers, ang benefit is direct, no, from the member directly to the company. So again, walang benefit from each member. Now, ang kagandahan sa business model natin, guys. Okay? 'Yon. Napakaganda ng system nito. Ang business model natin, okay, ay powerline system. Powerline system na gawin nating feeder towards a metric system. Okay? So, ano ba yung power line system? This is a weekly, no? Weekly, iniipon ang lahat ng mga mag-affiliate or member, ila-line up based on timestamp. Say for example, itong naka-orange affiliate and member at the same time. Ito naman naka-green is member lang. Gusto lang nila maka-save, no, sa mga product. Itong puti is guest, no? Nag-enroll lang, tumingin, gustong tumingin, nag-study pa sa business natin, sa mga product natin, but wala pang purchases made itong na mga guest. Okay? So, based on timestamp, ilalagay natin yung mga affiliate members, guest members, pati product purchases, no? Pati mga product purchases, ilagay natin sa power line. And then magkaroon tayo ng cut-off every Saturday, no? 12 midnight. But ngayon, hindi pa ito na-implement kasi uh, hindi pa tayo nag-freelance nga eh, no? So, once we fully functional, na functional yung system natin, magkaroon tayo ng cut-off every Saturday ng 12 midnight. So, after cut-off, weekly cut-off, ano mangyari? So, ang gagawin natin, lahat ng mga nandito sa power line, no? Maliban sa mga guest, no? Guest mean to say, hindi talaga bumili ng product, hindi talaga nagpa-member, hindi nag-affiliate. So, i-exclude natin 'yan papuntang metric system. So, at the end of every week, ito yung mangyayari, guys. Ilagay natin si John dito sa matrix, okay? And then si Lini, ilagay natin based on timestamp, no? So, ilagay natin in one huge company matrix. Okay? I hope you follow, no, guys? So, ito yung logic niya from top to bottom and left to right. Okay? Ito yung algorithm niya. So, as you can see here, yun, no? Okay, tuloy natin yung presentation, guys. Okay? So, as you can see here, no, sa matrix, makita natin dito na halo-halo. No, halo-halo yung nasa matrix natin. So, magkasama lahat ng mga affiliates and members, yung members, pati yung mga product purchases. Di ba guys? Napansin nyo, ano yung wala dito sa Matrix? Yung mga guest. Kasi hindi to hindi bumili or hindi nag-upgrade to member or to affiliate. So kaya, itong si guest, itong first guest nito, sayang. May mga tao na sana or may mga buyer na sana sila rin, pero hindi siya nag-upgrade. So hindi siya nasama doon sa Matrix. So it's a potential loss. No? So, what will happen guys? No? It's a one huge company matrix kasama lahat subscription at saka product order. So, bakit ganito yung ating algorithm? Kasi gusto natin tulungan na kumikita lahat ng mga affiliates. So, with this kind of system, ang lahat ng mga affiliate talaga ay 100% kumikita kasi it's isa lang yung matrix natin. No? Wala tayong team matrix. It's a company matrix. At the same time, kasama pa dito ang mga product purchases. No? Kasama nito ang mga product purchases so that yung mga affiliates na sa taas ay makinabang sa mga purchases din while maintaining the quality and the affordability of our product. Kasi yung mission natin guys is to give access sa mga quality products at very affordable price sa lahat ng mga tao sa masa. Kasi yung mga mayayaman na mga Pilipinos, kahit mahal yung product, kayang bumili. Pero ang target talaga natin, yung masa, no? Para makabigay tayo, makatulong tayo sa kanila. Di ba? So, we have two cut-off. Mayroon tayong dalawang cut-off. May weekly cut-off tayo. At saka mayroon tayong monthly cut-off. Di ba? Mayroon tayong monthly cut-off. Okay. So, at the end of every month, guys, you need to understand this algorithm, no? At the end of every month, magkukompress yung mga product sales. Take note, wala tayong monthly. Ang ating membership is yearly. So, mean to say, lahat ng mga members and affiliate ay guaranteed nandun sa matrix for 12 months. Di ba? Pero yung product sales, every month, magkaroon ng compression. Ibig sabihin, alisin yan sa matrix at the end of the month. Okay? Kasi tapos na yan. So, ang mangyayari guys, lahat ng mga, pag tinanggal ng yung mga product sales, ang mga members at saka affiliate, mag-roll up yan. Ano? You will go up to the metrics. No? So, at the end of every month, wala nang kasama dito ng mga product. Okay? Now, at the start of new month, say, halimbawa, at the end of November, so at the end of November, alisin lahat ng mga product sales, mag-roll up yung lahat ng mga affiliates at saka members. And at the start of new month, okay, papasok naman sa ilalim yung members subscription, yung affiliate and member at the same time, yung mga product sales. No? Papasok yung product sales, mga bagong pasok na members at bagong pasok na affiliate. So, as you can see here, makita natin dito, okay? I-continue na natin. Parang bumagal yung internet, ah. Okay? So, at the start of new month, ito yung mangyayari. No? So, ang mangyayari, guys, lahat ng mga product purchases for the new month will be under those affiliates and members na nag-roll up in the previous month. And take note, this is happening every month. Every month, at the end of the month, mag-compress yung product sales, aangat yung mga affiliates and members sa taas ng metrics, and then at the start of new month, bagsak naman sa ilalim lahat ng mga sales, subscription, and affiliates. By this procedure, no? By this procedure, siguradong kikita lahat ng mga affiliate. At bakit natin gawin yan? Kung ang mga affiliate ay kumikita, no? Mas motivated ang mga affiliate to promote our product and services, and the company will grow. Pag mag-grow tayo, mas makabili tayo ng maraming product sa murang halaga para i-down pa natin lalo yung mga product price natin para sa masa. So guys, let's build this business together para while makatulong tayo sa iba, yung tayo mismo ay matulungan din. So I hope no nakuha ninyo ang algorithm natin dito. But if you have questions, please i-reserve nyo yan at the end of no, sa during our open forum. Okay, now, paano naman kumita dito? Napakaganda ng business model na paano naman kumita. So we have only 5 ways to earn. Napakasimpleng kitaan lang. Kasi we are not a network marketing na typical. We are an affiliate marketing business. Iba yon, iba yung networking pag affiliate. May similarity lang in terms of referral, but in terms of business functionality, iba yung affiliate. So, the first way to earn is itong tinatawag natin na royalty income or metrics income. So, if this is you, this is Coach Andrew, Coach Ray, my son Raymond, si Tailito to, lahat ng mga members, affiliate members, lahat ng mga product purchases, lahat ng mga product sales na under his metrics, no? You will earn 2.5%. 2.5% of what? No? 2.5% sa monthly subscription. Yung 960 natin divided by 12, that's 80 pesos. 2.5% of 80 pesos, that stop. Meron kang 2 pesos each down the line up to 16th level. Di ba? So, lagyan natin ng value ha, guys. Lagyan natin ng value ang ating royalty income. Now, if you are a dreamer, no? Ang tawag natin sa dreamer is yung nagbayad lang ng 1920, walang ginawa. Hindi nagbili ng product, hindi nang refer, no? Hindi ginamit yung pag-affiliate. So dreamer lang, may pangarap pero walang ginawa. Pwede pa rin kumita ang dreamer affiliate up to 12 level. Magkano naman yung 12 level? 16,000. This is a modest income. Hindi naman masyadong malaki, no? This is only 16,380 per month. But sa pinakita natin na business model kanina, siguradong kikita lahat ng mga affiliate. Now, if you will earn 16,000 per month 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now. Sinong entity na pwede magbigay sa inyo ng ganitong kitaan? No, daig pa natin yung is nito, no? But if you help the company grow its membership, naging hero ka, tatlo lang yung requirement ng hero eh. Hero ka is up to 13th level, maging 32,764 yung realty income or matrix income mo per month. If you're an Epic, no, maging 65,532. If you're a Titan or Legend, maging 131,068 per month. Icon is 262,140. Don't worry about the yung mga rankings natin. I-discuss natin yan later, no, yung rankings natin. Now, gusto ko lang i-stress dito guys sa realty income natin. This is parang retirement income to. No, hindi to masyadong malaki. As you can see, minimum is 16,000, yung pinaka malaki is 262,000. So if you want to be rich, di po kayo pwedeng maging milyonaryo dito. No? Kasi maximum income lang is 262. But the good thing about our business model, di siya masyadong malaki ang kitaan, pero guaranteed na stable yung kitaan. No? We design in this way, no? Kasi itong realty income, this is the foundation of our business. Pero, mind you, kung mayroong 100 affiliates, mayroong thousands of affiliates sa Zakiko Wellness na kumikita ng 16,000 per month, grabe yan. No? So, parang for us, it's also a dream come true. Nagatulong tayo ng mga tao na kumikita ng 16,000 or 32,000 per month. Di ba? So again, ang design nito is stability and sure income. Okay, nakita naman siya natin ngayon sa business model natin, how the metrics work. Di ba? So this is the foundation sa income natin. Now, if you want to earn big, punta tayo dito sa Royal Match or matching bonus. This is now the wealth creation. Dito tayo pwedeng kumita ng milyones. Now, how? Kasi lahat ng mga direct mo, regardless of your rank, meron kang 50% royal match. So saan galing itong royal match? Galing ito sa royalty income or matrix income sa lahat ng mga personally sponsored mo. So nabanggit natin kanina na yung royalty match natin, it's modest, di masyadong malaki yung kitaan, pero sigurado and stable. So meaning to say, kung mayroon kang isang direct na kumikita ng 10,000 sa matrix, mayroon kang 50%, mayroon kang 5,000. What if mayroon kang 10, mayroon kang 100 or 1,000 directs? Di ba? Malaking pera na yan. Ang kagandahan nito, if may rank ka, you're an APEC, you're entitled to second and third generation na 5% royal match. Kung Titan ka up to third generation, Legion ka up to fourth generation, apat na fourth generation, apat na 2%, kung Icon ka, 2%. Now, based on experience guys, no? Kung gagawa tayo ng scenario, anong scenario gawin natin? Gamitin natin yung power of 10. Ano ba yung power of 10? You refer 10, and then yung 10 mo, encourage natin mang-refer 10, and then mag-duplicate up to 5th generation. And then see for example, lahat ng mga affiliate under us ay kumikita ng 10,000 lang na royalty income. Magkano pwede mong kitain dito? You will earn at least 2 million per month kahit legit affiliate ka lang. So the money is here. If you want to create wealth sa Zakiko Wellness, this is where the money is sa Royal Match. No? So paano gawin? You refer and refer and refer. Kasi affiliate ka eh. An affiliate marketing is a business wherein a person ay binigyan ng opportunity na pwede makabenta, makapromote ng product and services isang company kahit hindi siya mang-recruit. That's affiliate business. So mean to say, it's about sharing, it's about sales, it's about building membership. That is what an affiliate is. No? So again, nandito yung malaking pera sa Royal Match. Ang kailangan lang, you need to refer, sponsor people. Okay? Now, while building your Royal Match, meron tayong pangatlong income na magbigay sa atin ng sustainability in building our business. Ito ay tinatawag natin na endorsement bonus or referral bonus. Okay, naka-base naman ito sa sa affiliate fee. So, kahit wala kang rank guys, o regardless of rank, yung kita mo sa endorsement bonus is 50%. So, 50% of what? 50% of the 960, which is 480 pesos. No? Ang kagandahan nito, yung first level mo mang-refer, meron kang 10% endorsement bonus sa second generation. Meron kang 96. So, meron ka ring 19 pesos sa third level, fourth level, and fifth level if you are an icon up to fifth level yan. Kung Legion ka, fifth din. Titan is fourth, Epic is third generation, Hero is second generation. Now, again, gamitin natin ulit yung power of 10. Kung mayroon kang 10 sa first level, yung 10 mo nang refer din ng 10 up to 5th generation guys. Yung pwede natin kitain dito with the power of 10 ay at least 2 million. Malaking pera na rin yan. Now, number 4, no, before that, meron pa tayong tinatawag na one-time member acquisition bonus. So, say for example, si Coach Andro, naka-refer ni Coach Raymond, so kita ni Coach Andro is 480 plus 120, a total of 600 pesos. So, every time maka-refer ka ng affiliate at the same time member, yung endorsement bonus natin is 600 pesos. Okay. Now, number 4, kitaan is yung tinatawag natin na retail commissions. Ano ba yung commissions? Kung mahilig ka magbenta, mahilig kang mag-TikTok, mahilig kang mag-post doon sa mga marketplace, no? Ito yung kitaan dito. Kitaan ito sa bintahan. Okay? Now, regardless of rank, kikita ka ng 85% of the difference between retail and member price. See, for example, yung Immunoblock natin, ang kita mo dito, kung if you sell our Immunoblock, you will earn 324 pesos. It's battle. Yung lahat ng mga direct mo ay magbibinta din, kikita ka ng 19 pesos, it's battle sa second generation. Another 7.6 pesos sa third generation, 7.6% up to fourth generation, and 7.6 pesos up to fifth generation, depende sa rango. Now again, gamitin natin ulit yung power of 10. Kung mayroon kang 10 direct, yung 10 direct mo ay mayroon ding 10 direct up to 5th generation, and yung nagbinta or nag-consume lang ng 10 product each month, you will earn at least 700,000 pesos per month. That's another income. Di ba? And lastly, yung kitaan natin, number 4, is tinatawag natin na iconic polls or profit sharing income ito. The company allocates 2% sa lahat ng mga icon, kasama yung double icon at saka triple icon, another 0.5% for double icon and triple icon, another 0.25% para lang sa triple icon. So, this is a percentage galing ng sales of subscription, affiliate fee, and product purchases. So, kung ang company ay will be able to sell 75 million per month. And kayang-kaya to kasi nasubukan na namin sa dating company namin, isang product lang, kaya naming magbenta ng at least 100 million per month. So, may experience na tayo dito na kaya itong ibenta, itong 75 million per month. So, if that happened, no, and then mayroong 30 icons lang, yung minimum na shares per icon is at least 50,000. And then kung ikaw ay double icon, you will earn 375,000 per month. No? If you are a triple icon, grabe. Triple icon ka, you'll be earning sa profit sharing lang siguro mga at least 300,000 per month. No? Kung abot tayo ng 75 million na monthly sales. Now, paano ba mag-rank up? Ayun. So, dito naman tayo sa paano mag-rank up. So, for you to become a hero, no? Kailangan mo lang ng 3 referral. Ang team mo, at least meron kang 3 team. No, kasama sa team mo yung mga referral mo. So actually yung team is referral mo at saka referral ng mga referrals mo. So Hero is 3 referrals lang. Ang EPEC is 10 direct plus total team of 30. Titan is 30 directs, total team of 100. Legion is 100 yung direct, 300 yung team. icon is 100 yung direct pa rin, 3,000 yung team. Sa dual icon naman is 300 directs with 30,000 team. Sa triple icon is 1,000 direct with 100,000 team. No? This is what we call the option 1. Meron din tayong option 2. So ano ba yung option 2? May mga tao talaga na builder, no? Ayaw nila mag-recruit ng marami, gusto nila to build leaders. So pwede din. Dito kayo sa option 2. Now, common itong team, then yung option 2 requirement, mag-start lang tayo dito sa Titan. So, sinabi dito is 30 max per league. So, meaning to say, kung mayroon kang tatlong directs na may tag 30 team each, no? Tatlong direct lang, sabihin natin apat na direct na mayroong tag 30 team each. So 30 times 4, that's 120, pasok ka pa rin sa Titan. Kahit apat lang yung direct mo, and then tig-isa nila may 30 na team, at least 30, automatic Titan ka. Or automatic Legion ka rin kung mayroon kang tatlong directs na each direct mayroong 100 team each. So Legion ka pa rin. So icon is 300 max per leg. So mayroon kang 10 direct na mayroong 300 team each, automatic icon ka. The same applies to double icon and triple icon. 'Di ba? Now, dito naman tayo sa guys, dito naman tayo sa status. Sana tayo ngayon sa business natin. Guys, we are still in the positioning stage. Positioning stage pa rin tayo. Now, on December 8, no? December 8 or 9. I think target natin December 8, 2024, 8 p.m. is our pre-launch. Pre-launch na tayo sa December 8. No, mamaya i-discuss ko yung ano ba yung activity o ano bang meron doon sa pre-launch. Basta nakasit na to, pre-launch natin December 8. And then pagkatapos meron tayong soft launching. And then pagkatapos meron tayong ground launching. Okay? So, please take the opportunity na hindi pa tayo open to public talaga. No? Kaya tinatawag natin ngayon na this is an opportunity na makaposisyon tayo, yung team natin, pati yung mga friends and families natin. Kasi guys, gusto ko po, no? Ang gusto ko is itong naka-green, ito Pioneer, dapat ang tayong lahat nandito ngayon makapasok before sa pre-launch. We are the pioneers. Tayo po yung pioneers, guys. Pagkatapos niyan, 130,000 potential earners, mga affiliate. And after that, yung focus natin, membership and product movement. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa these pioneers, this will end until pre-launch. So sa December 8, no? December 8, yung cut-off natin sa pre-launch. After that, no? We will start the soft launching. So, i-build up natin tong mga more than 100,000 affiliates na potential earners natin. And after that, ground launching tayo, no? Lumagpas. Sa grand launching natin, yung focus naman natin is yung membership and product movement. No? So, for those, no, mga leaders natin nandito, do not wait na mag-soft launch na tayo, saka na ninyo i-inform yung team natin na mag-posisyon. Kasi semi-open to public na tayo by this time. No, after December 8, semi-open na yan. Then after sa soft launching, fully open na yan. Di natin alam na may mga leaders from other companies na makita yung potential natin, sumalpak. Alam naman natin yung algorithm ng ating metrics company-wide. So, sambog. Diba? So, kung dito sila pumapasok yung mga team natin, kikita pa rin yan. Pero, mas maganda makapusi ngayon. Hindi naman sure problema yung 1,920. Diba? So, again, may recording naman dito. Please, yung mga recording natin dito, i-share natin sa team. Sayang guys, sayang. Sayang kung team natin sa Global Diamonds, maunahan pa sa ibang team when we start our soft launch. Di natin mapigilan yan. Sabihin natin na, Coach Romel, pwede ba nating i-hold yung positioning? Position yung mga team natin. Di natin mapigilan yan. Diba? Ang importante is, naapalam natin sa team na talagang we will do this business no matter what. Kasi nakita na natin sa business model natin, sa Big Brother business natin, sa Live Good business natin, no? Na talagang putok. Ginawa natin to for the Philippine market. Di ba? So, sayang guys, sayang. And then, siguro, no, before tayo mag-updates, magbigay lang ako ng kunting training. No, napakasimple ng training natin dito sa Kiko Wellness. No? In 90 days, no, kaya natin i-change yung life natin using this very basic system. Tinatawag ko itong blueprint. Now, yung mga hindi pa nakapasok, no, mga prospects pa lang, be a dreamer now. Dapat magiging dreamer ka na ngayon. So, anong gawin mo para maging dreamer ka? Di ba? Maging dreamer ka, you pay only 1,020 for your yearly subscription at saka affiliate, use the product kasi yung product natin, available na yung dalawa. Tell us your product and share the mission. Mission natin is high quality product para sa masa. So dreamer ka na, may account ka na. After that, be a hero in 7 days. You conquer yourself. Huwag kang matakot. No, kang hero tawag natin sa tao na na-conquer yung self niya. So, paano maging hero? Just refer 3 in 7 days. Gawin mo in 7 days. Bigyan mo challenge yung self mo. Dami sa team natin dito guys, Ma'am Suzette, Ma'am Janet, naging epic na, hindi pati yung nag-launching. Di ba? So, within 30 days, kaya mo maging epic. So, ang daming epic na dito sa Rome ngayon. So, ano ba yung requirement ng epic? No? Kailangan mo lang mag-enroll ng 7 more direct in the next 21 days and you help at least 7 na maging heroes din. Epic ka na. And then, within 60 days, pwede ka maging Titan. No? Paano? Just help 3 to become epic. 3 direct mo na maging epic, Titan ka na. And then, in the next 180 days, 90 days, pwede kang maging legend. Paano maging legend? You just help 3 to become Titan, legend ka na. And lastly, within 180 days, on 6 months, guys, kaya mo maging icon. Again, nandito sa icon yung profit sharing. You just help 10 to become a legend, guys. You're an icon. Once you become an icon, hindi mapigilan yan. You will become a double icon and triple icon. Napaka-simpleng gawin itong business natin. Okay? You just continue sharing and building the business. So, yun. So, tapos na tayo sa first part. Tuloy naman tayo sa second part, which is the company updates. Yun. Pre-launch natin this coming December 8. Soft launch, December 2. Wala pang final date. I think si IT natin, si Brother Kusog, nasa travel yata eh. Nagbabakasyon. No? And then, grand launching natin next year na to. Possibly January, February. So, anong meron during the pre-launch? Shop Now functionality. Anong ibig sabihin ng Shop Now functionality? Lahat ng mga members ay pwede nang makabili sa dalawang product natin, yung ImmunoBlock, pati yung JIT1, ship to your doorstep. Door to door. You order sa system natin, no? I-order mo sa system natin, i-deliver yan door to door. And then, pangalawa, earnings display. Makikita na natin by December 8 yung earnings natin at pwede na tayo mag-withdraw. So first withdrawal ng commission natin will be this coming December 8, no? At least pamasko. Ang bonus na to, dami. May nakita ko dito na more than 30,000 yung kita. Di ba? May kita na more than 30,000. Di pa tayo nag-freelance, may kita na, no? And maging available din dito yung P2P wallet transfer. So, halimbawa, si Coach Clifford, meron siyang 5,000, isend niya kay Coach Raymond, pwede, no? Wallet to wallet transfer. Ito yung maging available, guys, during freelance. Sa soft launch naman, maging available yung shop for customer. Ano na ba yung shop for customer? Pwede mo nang ipasa yung link mo. Pwede ka nang mag-encode ng order for the customer, ship door to door. And then, i-run na natin yung metrics genealogy. Okay? And then sa ground launching, target natin sa January, all earning display, additional products, GCash payments. Pag sinasabi natin GCash payments, guys, this is business na GCash na anyone can purchase code, can purchase product using GCash na automated. Ngayon, manaka-manual tayo. Pag si Ma'am Janet bumibili ng codes, kailangan ng manual intervention yan. Pag nag-on ng GCash payments natin or card payments natin, maging automatic na yan. Di ba? So again, do not wait for December 8 na baka makikita itong business natin outside our team at sila mismo yung maunang makalipad, no? Sayang naman. So at least dito sa mga Team Global Diamonds, may may bonus, no? Naka-position tayo. So ay sulitin niyo yung time na hindi pa tayo naka-freelance, no? Sulitin natin 'yan. Now, what is 1920 para sa potential earnings natin in the future? Exclusive. So, yung offer na 'yan is for sa team lang natin 'yan. 'Di ba? Or for those na nabiyayaan na maka-participate with us during this period na nasa ano pa lang, hindi pa tayo naka-freelance. 'Di ba? And para magbigay ng init, guys, no, sa ating December 8 freelance, meron tayong special promo. And the promo starts today. Kahapon pa nga ito na up ni Coach Darwin no? Meron tayong endorsement raffle promo or special promo that will end on December 2024, 12 midnight. Ano ba yung mechanics? For every 3 directs, starting kahapon yata to for every 3 directs na nagbayad ng 1,920, you will earn additional 500. So if si Coach Clifford naka-refer ng tatlo, kita ni Clifford sa tatlo, 600 times 6, 1,800 plus 500. No? For every 3. Kung mayroon 6, mayroon kang 1,000. Kung mayroon kang 9, mayroon kang 1,500. Di ba? So, painit lang. No? Bigay natin yung kita ni company, balik muna natin sa mga leaders para pamasko ba? Ano? Para pamasko. Okay, wala mo na kita yung company dito. Balik muna natin lahat. Okay. Now, pangalawa, you refer 10 and you will qualify for the top 5 in dollars and win the following. Top 1, 5,000. Top 2, 4,000. Top 3, 3,000. Top 4, 4,000. Top 5, 1,000. Requirement, kung abot ka ng 10, qualify ka na sa top 5 in dollars promo. Kung ikaw lang mag-isa, naka-10 ay 5,000 ka automatic. Mayroon ka pang 1,500, mayroon ka pang 600 times 10. Grabe. No, grabing pang ano natin, pamasko natin, no? So ipakita natin mamaya sa website. Naka-on na yan, guys. Tingnan nyo sa referral. May referral contest diyan. Naka-on na yan. No, naka-on na yung contest natin, no? Tingnan natin kung may ilan yung makakuha sa contest natin. So mamaya after this update, no? Ah, na pakita natin. So pakita sila natin ngayon. Okay, before sa Q&A. Okay, so share lang ako ng share ako ng another screen. Ito po. Ayun. Gamiton I will use the account of Coach Polberto. Coach Polbert is here. Sorry, Coach. Pakita natin yung ano mo. So ngayon naka-default. Guys, dito tayo muna. Ito yung referral. click mo yung referral, may referral contest. Ayun, the countdown begins. We still have 10 days, 2 hours, 51 minutes, 16 seconds, referral contest. Okay? So yun, zero pa, wala pa eh. Wala pang entry. Okay? So, grabe. Uulan ng PN dito si Ma'am Janet. So, pwede nyo makita dito guys, once you have referral, new referral, lalabas dito. Lalabas dito yung ano po, yung rank. Okay? So, sulitin natin. And then, meron tayong ano, now, since mag-payout na tayo this December 8 or 9, guys, punta kayo sa settings, click payout, KYC, lagyan niyo ng info to, first name, last name, date of birth, wala mo ng ID ngayon ha, yung address lang, city, and yung country of course, and yung bank. So, nag-request pa tayo ni Coach Kusog, Jaime, na i-add dito lahat ng mga major banks. Okay? Then please use working email and then submit. Kasi walang payout pag walang bank info. Pwede naman na wallet-to-wallet transfer. Di ba? So, if you want your income deposited directly to your bank account, okay, you need to fill up the KYC. Okay? Need to fill up the KYC. And may bagong update. Medyo ito. Naka-color code na yung ano natin, yung may ano lang, may nakita ko lang ako, I think nandito ba si Coach Darwin, medyo may duplicate lang if I'm not mistaken. So itong color coding natin, pag ganito yung kulay, okay, ano mo lang doon para maklaro ninyo, i-zoom lang, affiliate only. Itong naka-white na yung outline naka-black, affiliate only. So dito, sa kay Paulbert na account, walang affiliate only. Ang green naman, dark green, member only. So merong member dito, si Windel Oryo, si Philber Oryo. And then yung white na naka-border ng red, orange ba to? Affiliate member. So yan, si Lala at sa Camera Floor. Pero yung dreamer, yung gray, light gray is guest. Guest is mga pre-enroll dito. Walang pre-enroll dito. Dito lang medyo double yung dreamer. Kasi yung dreamer, this is an affiliate and member at the same time. No, yung dreamer. So, dreamer to. So ito, dreamer. Ito naman, brown, this is hero. So hero pala si Coach Paulberto, pati si Darwin Gundinas. Okay? Then yung dark gray is Epic, yellow is Titan, blue is Legend, dark blue is Icon, double icon is Pink, orange yung triple icon. So naka-color coding na makikita natin sa genealogy natin kung sino yung nangrank up sa team natin. Diba? So again, do not forget your KYC. And mas maganda tingnan para makita natin yung pangalan natin dito sa referral contest. Okay, so balik tayo sa slides natin. Matapos na tayo. 9 o'clock na eh. Okay. Q&A. But before sa Q&A, FAQ muna. Okay, so first question. Kasi common ko po itong na-encounter. Ang Sakiko ba is founded to compete with Live Good? Ay, grabe naman. Guys, Live Good is our Live Good business, a global business na it is still up to now our business. You're not competing Live Good. Live Good is our business. It's a global business. We are not competing with Live Good. Sino ba tayo mag-compete ng isang international company? Live Good is covered niya 230 countries. Yung atin, Pilipinas lang. Ginawa natin itong Zakiko Wellness kasi we try to copy Live Good business model for the Philippine market. Kasi kung di natin gawin to guys, some will do this business for the Philippine market. Kasi dami mga Filipino product na kahit alam na ng mga Pilipino ang Live Good, nandyan pa rin yung mga products sa mga Pilipino. So ang gawin natin, we will make a similar business model for the Filipino products na magawin nating mas mura pa para sa mga Pilipino. So, we are not competing with Livgood. In fact, we are supplementing Livgood. Tinutulungan natin si Livgood para mas lalong maintindihan ng tao what Livgood is all about. Di ba? So, Livgood is our global business targeting more than 200 countries. Yung sa Kiko naman is local business. Tina-target lang natin yung Pilipinas. So, sabay natin yung business. Meron kayong global business, meron din kayong local business. Meron akong mga businesses din. And then siguro, yung mga leaders natin dito, kung wala namang ibang businesses, mayroong mga trabaho. Di ba? So, we're trying to expand our portfolio para maka-retire na tayo ng maaga. Pangalawang question, pwede bang kumita sa Sakiko kahit walang invite or recruit? Pwede naman, especially at this point in time, papasok ka na nasa pre-launching period pa tayo. Pwede. Pero as an affiliate, kung ikaw ay affiliate, I will not recommend. Kasi ang kita ng matching matrix income, maliit lang, 16,000, 32,000, no? So, maliit na income yan kung malaki yung pangarap mo. No? So, bagay, marami naman pwede matulungan sa income na yan. No? But if you have a dreams, no, wag kang mag-relax. Wag kang maghintay. Tulungan natin ma-build yung company natin para mas maganda yung ma-offer natin sa mga members natin. Pangatlo, totoo bang may kita sa metrics sa mga product orders or sales sa lahat ng Sakiko products? Yes. Yes. Ang lahat, ang mga all product orders and sales will have a metrics position para kumita ang mga affiliate din. Now guys, can you imagine this? I think, sino ba dito ang namoblema sa pag-order ng Live Good products? Kung mayroon nag-order dito and then problema, pwede kayong mag-type 2. Tingnan natin, sino ba yung nag-order dito na mga Live Good product na naka-encounter ng mga concerns like 2 months yung delivery, 1 month yung delivery, mayroon namang speed delivery pero mahal. Now, what if yung sa Kiko, bili tayo ng product ng Live Good in bulk, ilagay natin sa system. Kung bumili kayo nila Coach Fernan sa ibang mga appliance natin, medyo mahal yon kasi retail price yung bintahan nila. Sa atin, walang patong or lagyan natin ng patong para bili tayo as member price. Kung member ka, bili natin dito ang sa Kiko nang bumili ng bulk doon sa US, available natin sa website natin, bilhin natin, 2 to 3 days lang. Kung Visayas ka, 2 to 5 days, may Live Good product ka na. Or 3 to 7 days doon sa kung national. And may matrix income pa. 'Di ba? So we're helping Live Good members to have access sa mga Live Good product dito sa business natin. 'Di ba? 'Di ba yung sa mga appliance natin sa Manila, yung Super Rich binibenta 2,000, no? Kung member ka, bili ka sa kanila 2,000 o 1,900. What if dito sa Sakiko, ibenta natin ng 1,006, may matrix income pa. 'Di ba? So we're not, actually, mas malawak yung natin, scope natin. Pati services, pwede nating ilagay dito yan. 'Di ba? And number 4, after 1 year, need po bang magbayad ulit ng 960 para ma-maintain yung matrix position? Yes. After 1 year, guys, kasi yung membership natin, subscription is yearly. So, sa 960 mo, guaranteed yung matrix position mo for 12 months. After 12 months, kailangan mo magbayad ulit na 960. Otherwise, you'll be out of your matrix position. Sayang naman. Pero don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Sa system na ginawa natin, sa uniqueness ng system natin, I am 99% sure na yung next year subscription nyo ay pwede nyo mabayaran sa income nyo. So, pwede sila tayo mag-request sa IT natin ni Coach Darwin na pwede mag-reserve ng 960 sa income mo for the next year subscription para wala na tayong iintindihin pa sa next year, 'di ba? So kaya while maaga pa, di pa tayo naka-open publicly, to make use of the time. Huwag yung sayangin yung oras na hindi makaposisyon yung team nyo. Kasi natakot tayo, baka maging kompetensya ito si Zakiko ni Livegood. No, it will never happen na maging kompetitor. Makatulong nga yung business natin sa Livegood business natin. Di ba? So, yun. Number 5, how the company is so sure na lahat ng mga affiliates ay talagang kikita. Ayun, napakita naman natin kanina yung metrics natin. One company use metrics. Pati products and services, pwede ilagay doon. Di ba? So, ayun. That's all for the FAQ. So, pwede na tayo magtanong. Check natin yung chat box, guys, ha? Okay? Check natin yung chat box. Kung may mga katanungan. Okay, isa-isahin natin. So, if you have question, pwede kayo mag-type, ha? Okay, so, yun. Check natin. Wait lang po, ha? Ayun, sabi ni Coach Z. So thank you Coach Z Saga for supporting the founding affiliates. No? So founding affiliates natin malapit nang ma-close, no? And thank you Coach Z for supporting us, no? Can we buy maramihan ng motor oil? Yes naman. Mas maganda Coach maramihan para makatipid sa shipping. So by December 8, no? Pwede na kayong mag-place ng order doon sa back office natin para matistingan din natin yung process. Kaya freelance tayo, member lang muna yung bibili. Kung gusto kayo magbenta, pwede kayo magbenta, bili kayo ng marami. Yes, pwede. Pwede, Coach Z. No? Coach Rumilit naman, no? Coach watching from UAE. Ingat kayo dyan, Coach. No? And then dito, again, Coach, meron din tayo affiliate link. Yes! Yung affiliate link natin, tanong natin kay Coach Kusog kung available ba siya magtanong. Yung affiliate link natin, Coach Darwin, kaya natin ma-launch during soft launch or sa grand launching? Yun, nag-travel na, nasa area na yata. So, yes, Coach Rumelet, meron po tayo. Okay? According to Coach Francis Ruiz, yes, meron o magkaroon tayo, ma'am. That's good, thank you. Okay, and sign pa natin. From Coach Francis, abot pa rin na 1 million plus para sa daming nagpa-join. Pray po natin yan mga coaches, no? And yes, makahabol pa ako bago mag-freelance. Thank you, Coach Bibo 1906. Merry Christmas talaga, no, sa lahat. Merry yung Christmas natin kasi December 8 may payout na. So, kay Coach Extreme Freedom noon. Now, another reason why masiguro natin nakikita lahat taga-affiliate, magpa-plug in dito ang mga dropshipper. Katulad ni Extreme Freedom kaya magbinta ng 100 products each day. Isang product lang. Si Coach Alexis Pedrico, grabe ninyo magbinta. So, lahat ng mga binta natin sa Ecom bagsak sa metrics. So, lalong mas masiguro natin yung kita ng mga affiliates. Okay? From Ma'am Zuzet, no? Sir, ang food supplements products po can deliver to other country like Taiwan? Yes, ma'am, pwede. Kasi mayroon naman tayong CPR eh. I-attach na natin yung CPR, makasin tayo to Taiwan for the Filipino lang. Filipino market lang. Yes, pwede po, pwede. And from Ma'am Renilda, Maribilis, no? But still consume product. Yes. Everyday ako sa bahay, mayroon akong A3, mayroon akong collagen, no? Mahirap ipagawa yung mga product ng Live Good dito sa Pilipinas, ma'am. No? Mahirap. So, we can always buy our product sa Live Good directly or through Zakiko platform. Hey, Coach Clifford, baka lalong magalit sila, coach, kung isali pa natin. Member naman tayo, Coach Clifford, eh. No? So, we will not be selling Live Good products kasi walang we are not allowed to sell Live Good products sa mga non-member. So, lahat naman tayo mga member ng Live Good, ilagay natin sa system natin, bumili si Sakiko ng bulk ng product ng Live Good, available nang sa shop now para sa mga members. Para sa mga members lang. Then from Ma'am Susit ulit, good suggestion po yan Sir Romel, yung mag-reserve na pang 1 year subscription. Yes po. Kasi napakamura yung subscription natin, 960 lang. Okay, from Coach Francis Ruiz, sa kitaan coach, ang kaibahan sa affiliate at member only. Naya. So, ang affiliate lang ang kumikita ng 2.5% up to 16th level sa matrix. Pero yung mga member, no, yung member natin kagandahan kasi member sila. So may position sa matrix. Wala silang kita katulad ng affiliate na income. Pero they will earn rebates pa rin. So yung 2.5% nila, they will earn rebates up to 960 pesos equivalent na will be allocated for the next year subscription nila. So pati yung mga members, nilagyan natin ng allocation, makaipon doon sa matrix para pangbayad sa next year subscription. Okay, sabi ni Coach Darwin, after soft lunch sa siguro yung referral link. Okay, pag na-integrate na ang GCash payment natin. So yan, we are submitting all the requirements na hiningi ng GCash. Okay? Yun po yung magpabilis ng business natin. Okay? According to Extreme Freedom, Carl Badayola, basta confident lang ako sa components, sa mug. Okay? So, yun. Kaya pala kati na kati si Extreme Freedom. According kay Coach Clifford. Okay, so from Ma'am Renilda, yung affiliate link coach, pwede ba yun ibigay sa gusto lang bibili ng... Yes! Yung affiliate link natin, may link tayo for affiliate, may link tayo for product. Okay? So, yan. So, sabi ni Ate Edna, libre product yan, coach. Yes, yes. Yung Immunoblock, Ma'am Edna, is sariling product, Pinoy made yan. Hindi yan from Live Good. Okay, maganda sali natin yung coach kahit retail price. Actually, mas mababa pa sa retail price, Ma'am Renilda, basta member tayo ng Live Good. Okay, bako lalong magalit. Wala siyang magalit, Coach Clifford, kasi we are helping naman. No? Hindi naman tayo nagtayo ng Zakiko to compete, but to help. Kasi nasabi ko na kanina, kung hindi natin gawin to, nakita na natin yung potential. If we will not do this, some will do this business. Kaya unahan na natin. Okay? Mas maging happy si Livegood kasi lalakas product sales nila sa Pilipinas. Tama naman yan. Okay? From Coach Rumilit, yung products po natin, saan po? Pilipinas lang to, Coach Rumilit. Ang target natin dito, lahat ng mga Filipino manufacturer, suportahan natin. Okay? So later on, magkaroon tayo ng training galing mismo from representative na mga manufacturing natin. Okay, from Tatay Lito, Coach Romel, you have just made a wonderful business for Filipinos. But yan, another supporters natin, si Tatay Lito Radam. No? So, thank you so much. From Coach Clifford, available ba for public? Yes, I am now. Lahat ng mga videos, may videos na tayo sa JIT1, may mga testimonials, may mga certifications. Siguro, within the week, guys, ayusin ko yung Google Docs wherein you can access all the information, pati FDA sa products natin. Na pwede pakita sa mga gustong magtanong. Okay? Para daw masugda na. Sabi ni Carl. So, lahat ng mga products natin, dapat compliant tayo sa government regulation. Delikado pag, alam nyo ba sa Lazada, Shopee, ang daming murang product. Pero pag i-search niyo ang supplier, may warning na or may kaso na from the FDA. So, we still use the concept, the policy yung concept ni Live Good na quality product at affordable price. Yun, from Coach Rinilda. So, sana all coach, I'm happy sana Live Good products. Yes, ma'am. sure na sure po yan na ilagay natin dito sa ano sa platform natin. In fact, yung Team Cebu or Team Danau City, meron kami stocks sa Live Good Products eh. Ang challenge lang is yung di pa natin na inform lahat ng mga members natin na meron kaming product. So, with the platform of Zakiko, maging available sa website natin yan, anytime pwede kayong mag-order. Sabi kay Coach Rumilit, meron din po ba tayong products na gaya ng Super Green? So, next year, Coach, meron tayong ipalabas na Green Perfection at saka Red Perfection. Filipino product naman yan. No? Filipino product. From Coach Romeo, ang engine oil po ba ay exclusive? Stockist lang tayo ngayon, Sir Romeo, kasi nakausap ko yung inventor, may-ari talaga si Sir June Punsalan. No? So, pag lumakas yung binta natin, baka bigyan tayo ng exclusivity sa sa engine oil. Ang gagandahan lang, mas mura yung natin, yung purchase natin, especially kung member ka ng Sakiko. No, sa labas nasa 300 pesos yung 60 ml, sa atin lang 149 lang, no? Kung member ka. Kahit idagdag pa natin yung shipping fee, mura pa rin. Okay, so baka may mga questions pa. So, huwag kayong mahiya magtanong, pwede kayong mag-chat dito, pwede kayong mag-unmute, no? So, ayun, Sir Roger from Team Danao, no? Thank you for supporting our business, Sir Roger, no? Grabe to, Sir Roger. Ang daming pinasok, no? More than 40 yata yung direct ni Sir Roger Kindao. So again, the contest is on. The contest is on. 10 days yung duration natin. Tingnan natin kung uh, sino yung pwede makahabol. Thank you, Coach Clifford. Parang magkamukha tayo ah. Okay, so may mga questions pa ba? So kung wala na guys, pwede natin i-adjourn yung ating meeting and then I will prepare for the recording of this meeting para ma-share sa lahat ng mga team natin. Again, do not forget to share to all your team, friends, and relatives putting position na as early as now before tayo mag-open to public. Okay, so kung wala ng questions, wala na ba? White background na lang picture, boss. Yes, ano natin, gawin natin yung mga kailangan ng mga documents. Actually, mag-photoshoot pa tayo once dumating yung product. Actually, product is within the week daw. Dumating na yung natin, Jet 1 Noel. Available na yung system na lang ayusin para maka-order na tayo. So again, thank you so much for your support, guys.